How to tag a place in your Instagram story. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Next, tap the profile with the plus icon at the top left corner of the home screen to open the story page. Capture a photo or video by tapping on the camera icon or select one from your gallery. Once your content is ready, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen and select the location sticker. You can either choose a nearby location from the list or search for a specific place using the search bar. After selecting your desired location, the sticker will appear on your story. You can drag it, resize it, or place it anywhere on the screen to match your design. Adding a location tag helps your followers know where your story was captured and can make your story more discoverable to others who explore that location. When you are ready, tap your story to share it with your followers. Your story will now display the location tag, allowing viewers to see the place and potentially engage with other content from that location. Now you know how to tag a place in your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.